York dropped me with a body shot, but I'm not staying down. I'll fight like hell, so ring that bell. Look who's coming out swinging in the open round.
Hi, I'm Christine with Broadway Inbound, and I'm here in the lobby of the beautiful Broadway Theatre to see one of this season's hottest shows, King Kong. But first, we're gonna get the chance to chat with Eric William Morris, one of the stars of the show, and I'm gonna show you how to use the live GalaPro translations available here at the theater. So come on, let's go find Eric. Hi Eric, thank you so much for coming to talk with me today.
Of course, yeah.
Great, so you play Carl Denham in King Kong,
I do,
the
yeah.
ambitious filmmaker who finds Kong. Can you tell us a little bit about the show, what audiences can expect?
Yes, absolutely. The thing about the show is audiences can expect to see something that they've never seen before. It's this epic musical adventure spectacular. You're gonna see a 20-foot puppet that's over 2,000 pounds being manned by 10 people on stage and 4 people off stage, and that's just part of the show.
Your character doesn't exactly have the best intentions.
What do you mean?
How do you go about creating a character like Carl?
Yeah, sure. So the thing about Carl is that he is ambitious. He's a filmmaker. He feels like everybody's down on their luck and that people could use a little bit more magic in their lives, and he convinces Anne to get on a boat with him and film this beautiful movie that he thinks is gonna make people excited again.
It's such a universal show, and
Yeah.
you guys have done such a fantastic job of attracting a really international audience.
Yes, it's been awesome.
What do you think it is about King Kong that transcends language and culture?
Yeah, well, there are big portions of the show where it's just Anne and Kong, you know, so you're watching two people who, in essence, don't speak the same language find common ground, and it transcends language because they have to transcend language.
That's really lovely.
Yeah, it's cool.
Well, you need to go get ready for your show.
I do.
So I'm going to let you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for meeting with me.
It's been a pleasure.
All right, I'm going to go find my seat and show you how to get subtitles in a whole bunch of languages right on your mobile device. All right, I'm here at my seat, and I've already downloaded the GalaPro app, which lets me see closed captions for the entire show in English. Plus, I can get translated subtitles. King Kong has Portuguese, Chinese, Spanish, and Japanese. And don't worry, it's specifically designed so that my screen won't disturb my neighbors. And it only works in airplane mode, so I can't accidentally get a call during the performance. You just select your language, and the words appear on your screen in real time. It's a fantastic way to make sure everyone has the opportunity to fully enjoy the show. All right, get your tickets to see King Kong, and don't forget to check out GalaPro at the theater. Here we go, the show's starting.